I'm still pretty new to this. I wasn't happy with the way we used to farm. It never really sat right with me, but you know, if you want to be a success, you know, you have to do it the way it's done, but it never sat right, and I just, by observing things and seeing things from a different perspective, I just, just started making a few changes, and the first change I made was, well, I got hold of Massey because that's the, you know, a big company, and, you know, and so we changed our fertiliser to Osflow chicken manure and seaweed, and it went from there, and it just kept going and going, and then I started putting some multi-species pasture in, and I was still too scared to change my grazing because, oh, what if it all turns, because I have to grow young stock, so, and they just won't grow on rank grass. And so last year at about October, I thought, nah, I'm doing it. So I started, and I guess because we'd done 2 years of no chemicals, it was already quite established, and the grazing just was amazing, and the animals just changed just like that. Everything, the lines just started flattening out instead of ups and downs. Everything was just nice and even and healthy, and yeah, I'm all in now. So I'm now looking for other things, and again reaching out to people in this discussion group has just been incredible, and a bit of support instead of going off on your own is even just somebody agreeing with you, you know, is just great. And yeah, I'm much happier, and the animals are much happier, and yeah, no turning back.
Cool. I love what you were just saying. And then when you said that you were really scared to do it, and you're worried about what would happen when you changed the grazing, and then you just did it. How did you get to that point from, you know, like, what's the thing that helps you be brave enough to do the brave next thing?
I don't know, I guess because this is what I wanted to do, and from everything I've read and learned, it should work.
Yeah.
But conventionally thinking, you're like, no, it's not going to work. That's not the way you do it. So it was just, I just did it and thought, wow, it's just one season.
Yeah.
I'm going to try it.
It makes sense though, isn't it? Thinking it's just one season, it makes it a bit more manageable.
It's just, well, and because I did it earlier, I thought, now if the grass does turn rank, I'll just mow it. You know, just try it, because you've done all this work to get there, but if you don't do it,
you never know.
You haven't actually done anything. And yeah, everything should work, but it was just being brave enough to fully say, no, this is what I'm doing, and it's different, but
it is brave.
I'm gonna, what's the worst that could happen? Well, come on.
Fantastic. Thank you so much.